you can see on Larry camera in the corner of the screen. Can we pull up rotation on this? Okay, thank you. As you can see, there is some tight rotation where there is bright red and green. Just got...
My God, a tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for Christian County until 4:55 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a tornado-producing tornadic thunderstorm was located near Hopkinsville, moving northeast at 40 mph. Hazard: tornado damaging and penny-size hail. Source: trained storm spotters. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hopkinsville around 4:25. While the locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fairville and Fairview. Precautionary preparedness actions: tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I need to go. Oh, but first I will set up the camera.
Are we back live? Okay, as you just heard, a tornado warning has been issued for Hopkinsville. This makes a lot of sense as well. There isn't really anywhere else for this storm to go.
Okay, it's on. That's good. I need to get to the bathroom.
I can't believe it. There is a debris ball. For those who don't know, that means there's so much stuff being lofted by this tornado that radar thinks it's hail. And if we look at Larry's cam, never mind, his camera is currently down at the moment. But oh boy, this is not good. Larry, are you there? Okay, Larry can't give us updates at the moment. But we do have a separate photo from a different person. Can we pull that up now?
Oh my! As you can see, this tornado is large and most likely violent. Another thing that supports this, the debris ball. I mean, this debris wasn't even here a minute ago, and then bam, it was there. Look point is this probably a strong tornado. Maybe an EF2, more likely an EF3. Although this isn't certain, as we won't know until the National Weather Service surveys the damage.
Tornado right in front of me. Oh,
Larry,
God,
what's
no.
going on?
They're going to be hit by it. It's too strong. Oh, my God, that house being torn to shreds. Oh, God, Hopkinsville is being destroyed.
Larry, stay calm. Wait, did you say the tornado's going to hit you?
Oh, my.